Hey guys, I'm Patrick. Yes, this is a video for my viewers from the United States. I get more and more viewers from the United States, so this is really awesome. I don't know why, but yeah, I get them. And yes, so I decided to do videos in English sometimes. This is a video in English, this is a boxing tutorial. I think boxing is very famous in the United States, and so I will show you the boxing basics. So, the first basic punch is the jab. The jab is also the most important punch because with this punch you can control the fight. So most people do the jab with the left hand because their stronger hand is the right hand, so they do the cross with the right hand. Yes, the jab. This is at first your basic position. This is also very important. One fist is near the shin, and the other fist, the jab hand, is forward. Your head and your legs also have the same position. So now I will show you the jab in a slow way and then in a quick way. Basic position. And this is the jab. You can also bring the jab to the body, to the head. Both is positive. Yes, and now I will show it in a slow and fast way. Yes, this is the first punch, the jab. The next punch is the cross. You bring the cross with your right hand. You can also bring the cross to the body, both is possible, head and body, and now here on the back. This was the cross. So the next punch is the left hook. Yes, you can bring the left hook to the body, or you can bring it to the head. Both is possible. Yes, and there are a few possibilities to bring the hook. You can do it like I showed, or you can twist your arm a little bit like this and bring the left hook. If I have a near distance, I bring this, and if I have or it's a distance bigger, then I bring this possibility. So now I will show it on the back. First to the body. Now once again. And now to the head. And now with a twist arm. And now, the combination body and head, left hook. Okay, and now the same on the right side. You can also bring the right arm hook to the body and to the head. And there's this possibility here. And you can also bring the combination. This was a right hook. So the next punches are the uppercuts. Left uppercut, right uppercut. It is a little bit difficult to bring the uppercuts on the back, so it is easier to show it here on the speed back. So first the left uppercut. So now the right hand Yeah, these are the basic punches for boxing. I hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.